What's up guys, this is Massey, welcome to my channel. I want to give you some examples regarding adding and subtracting square roots. First one is 3 root 18 x squared minus 6x root 32 plus 2 root 50 x squared. So I can change it to, the answer is 3 times root 18, I can write root 9, 2, and root x squared is just x, minus 6 times x times 32 is square root of 16 times square root of 2, plus 2 times square root of 50 is 25 to x squared. So that will be 3 times 3, because square root of 9 is 3. It's going to be 9 root 2x minus 6 times 4, 24 root 2x plus 2 times 5, 10 root 2x. That makes it 19 minus 24 is going to be negative 5 root 2x. Next example is 8 root 2 minus 5 root 2. The answer is 8 minus 5 root 2, which is going to be 3 root 2. Next example, 7 root 2 minus 3 root 2, so it's going to be 7 minus 3 root 2. It's going to be 4 root 2. Next example, 3 root 5 plus 6 root 5. Answer is 3 plus 6 root 5. It's going to be 9 root 5. Next example, 4 root 5 plus 8 root 5. Answer will be, there are like terms, so we add the coefficients, so it's going to be 12 root 5. Next example, is 9 root 7 minus 10 root 7. Answer is 9 minus 10 root 7, which is going to be negative root 7. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.